10 minus 4 divided by 2 over 5. Some people solve it wrongly by doing this fraction first. Solve it straight. So if you do 10 minus 4 divided by 2 divided by 5, right? So you go ahead to do this division first, which is 10. 4 divided by 2 is going to give us 2 divided by 5. Now, 2 divided by 5 is 10 minus 0.4. This is going to give us 9.6, right? And this answer is not correct. Some people still solve it wrongly. Other people can still do something like this, which is 10 minus 4 is going to give us 6 divided by 2 over 5, right? So if we apply the rule of KCF, this is going to be 6 times 5 over 2. So 6 times 5 is what? 30 divided by 2. 30 divided by 2, this is going to give us 15. But this answer is not correct as well, because according to the order of operation, BODMAS, B stands for bracket, O stands for off, D stands for division, N stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. And we are solving with this rule from left to right. So first of all, we have to do this division first. So if we do this division first, we have to apply KCF rule. K stands for key, C stands for change, S stands for flip. So if we do this first, we have 10 minus 4 times 5 over 2. Now, according to our BODMAS, multiplication comes next because multiplication have higher priority than subtraction. So if we do this multiplication first, which is this, we have 10 minus 4 times 5 is 20 divided by 2. So if we apply this, this is going to give us 10 minus 20 divided by 2 is going to give us 10. So our final answer is 10 minus 10, which is equal to 0. So our final answer to this question is 0. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like this video, and comment.